Hello traders. Welcome back to another video. In this video we will be going over how to use the TrustedSignals trend meter. The link to TrustedSignals trading indicators is in the description below. Be sure to take advantage of that if you haven't already, because TrustedSignals is on sale and you don't want to miss out. Now let's get into the video. Start by adding the trend meter to your charts. Click on the FX indicators button at the top of TradingView, then click on invite only scripts and then click on TrustedSignals trend meter. How do we use the trend meter? When the majority of the meters turn blue, it is a sign the market is heading up. When the majority of the meters turn red, it is a sign the market is going down. You also have the option to select how many meters must align for a signal to show. The indicator also has the ability to set up alerts when the selected number of meters turn blue or red. This feature is also signaled by the red or blue vertical lines. When using the trend meter, you want to look for buys in an uptrend and look for sells in a downtrend. Let's take a look at an example. We can see that price is trading in an overall uptrend. We can then see that the trend meter has given us a buy signal by printing a vertical blue line. We also see that price is at a level or support. We can take a buy position based on those confirmations, with our stop loss just below the level of support and our take profit set to all the previous levels. As you can see, we have a winning trade. With TrustedSignals, you can elevate your trading and enhance your trading experience, all while learning the markets and making profits. Okay traders, that is all for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future strategy and guide videos. Be sure to join the Discord group where we give out signals, hold giveaways, learn, and profit together. All links for TrustedSignals will be in the description below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.